Welcome to Axon Integrated Service. We are a leading telecommunication engineering company with over 15 years experience. Clip of engineers installing telecom towers, aerial shots of city networks. Our mission is simple: to solve complex challenges through innovation, reliability, expert design. We design and optimize high-performance networks to keep your business connected. Axon work with top infrastructure providers and OEMs across the nation. Welcome to Axon Integrated Service, a leading telecommunication engineering company with over 15 years of experience. Cut to visuals of network designs, engineers working, and infrastructure. We specialize in network design and optimization, delivering end-to-end solutions that enhance connectivity, reliability, and efficiency. Our expert team assesses your current infrastructure and creates tailored, scalable network designs that fit your business needs, whether you're expanding or upgrading. Show clips of optimization processes, data flow graphics, and monitoring. We optimize your network for maximum performance, improving bandwidth, signal strength, and security, so you enjoy faster, more reliable communication. Cut to friendly engineers collaborating with clients. Partnering closely with your team, we ensure our solutions align with your immediate goals and future growth, providing flexibility for tomorrow's technology. Closing shot, company logo and tagline: Axon Integrated Service, innovation, reliability, and customer commitment. Let's build the future of connectivity together. Axon Integrated Service, powering the future of connectivity.